data, right? And what I would do is I would 3D that space in it to be attached to the unlockable, literally. You feel what I'm saying? Now you're probably thinking like,
Wow.
well, how can you just put the information on there like that? And it's not that easy. No, what you do is you make your name a part of a trust fund. Don't put nobody's name on a trust fund for the property until you sell the NFT. And that's a part of the unlockable. You send your information, and then that's when you put it on the trust fund, and then that's when they own it, and they don't have to give it up.
That's slick. That's slick. You seen people been opening they smart locks with of their door with
What
the
they do
their
with
Ethereum
Ethereum.
address.
Ethereum address
So
and all the, so basically somebody programmed a pad that has a lock connected to it. And to open it, is you have to sign in and make a transaction with your MetaMask wallet. That's crazy.
it is.
So if
It
I want
is
to unlock my
for
door,
the
I
new
just sign in. Like
Airbnb.
that's wild.
Yeah, like that's how Traveler in them the new Airbnb joints
Hmm.
they finna be moving like that. I'm pretty sure.
So don't you think it's important to really own your own name? Because what if I got your name and I go do some dumbass shit and boop boop, and then they be like, well, this it had to be this guy. It's only one of these names, and do all the work to figure out it wasn't even you.
Right, right.
You know, it's just a lot of it's just get your name,
Go get it. Go get it.
go get
Unstoppable.
your
You
name
could go get unstoppable domains
right now.
right now. Two for
Buy
one.
two get one free.
You know.
$40.
Yeah,
Come on,
man. It's
it's on
laid
the
out
floor.
for us. We just got to just take a little time. Just take a little time. Take it step by step, man. But
Yeah,
we got the we got it laid out. I mean, you stay in tune with El Crypto. You stay in tune with me. You finna get jewels. You know what I'm saying?
got to,
Every day, every day.
got to, got to.
Peace, y'all.
Hey, what's going on?
What's
What's
going on?
going on?
I just cut my hair a couple of days ago. About to get locks.
Oh, we big natural. We
Big,
big natural.
It look
Yeah.
right. It look
yes.
good.
You
Thank,
locking it up?
yes.
Okay, Congo, you got one. She
There
coming over. She coming over to the good side.
I ain't even wash it. I just cut it. Still got twisted. I ain't even wash it yet. I just cut it.
Oh,
That's
okay.
um,
Okay.
Listen, a homeboy coming over right now. He interested. I'm about to set him up, but he don't got Instagram. So how can he get how can he become a part of the community? Because he don't got
deregulated. So y'all need. I just want y'all to know that because that's one of the most
Trying to tell me.
important coins and important pieces to this whole puzzle. So you don't have to worry. If everyone who was in the space knew about Haven and how they could utilize it, there would be a lot more confidence in the space.
Man, because people ain't got to worry about what they gonna have to do with their money if they get a shitload of it.
Exactly.
Well, you know what, brother? I appreciate you for coming on here. Hey, I love y'all. If y'all not following Illuminati Congo, y'all need to go follow him right now. I'm pretty sure you already is.
Same
But
thing. Same thing with El Crypto. You're gonna get gems. You're gonna get gems like this
Joe,
every day.
and the link is in the bio for the class. It's a master class for me. It's gonna be me teaching you programming AI, how to program an AI brain like I did, and how it works and shit, right? And then I'm gonna show you how to make your own NFT collection and how to cut out the middleman to where you're gonna cut out the coder and you're gonna cut out the artist. I'm gonna teach you how to make your own art, how to code your own contract, and how to generate your own art all in one, like all in one. And if you want to do a reveal button or anything like that, you can. I'm going to teach you how to cut everybody out and do it yourself for a little fucking fee in this class. Link in my bio. I got you. It's on the
Do
flow.
that, y'all. It's on the flow.